I've given this platform to share my Tarabasa journey to all of you.
Out of poverty and out of the hardships and difficulty that life throws at him or her. So pagpaka na ito, Department of Social Welfare, Land Services and Development, ito hatakan ito po si Pagpakpak. We commend you for a program like this, of course in partnership with the Department of Education.
Hi! Welcome to our vlog. We're very traffic. Oh, akong gihatod si Madam. Yusi girl. Ako na ako'y meeting sa Tarabasa. Then Madam, I saw Madam in the kuan. Our future attorney. Morning. Say good morning, Day.